So as I'm sharpening here, I'm working the steel, and the steel is being abraded, and what you're noticing here is there's metal debris mixing with the particulates of the stone and creating a slurry. Now you don't want to wash this away as you're sharpening, because that's going to help in the sharpening process. But if you notice your stone drying out and leaving bits of black debris that clogs the stone, then you're going to want to add a little bit more water and move it around with your fingers so that new cutting surface can be exposed. I'm going to continue working down the length of the blade, and what we're working to do here is create what's called a burr. A burr is a small roll of metal that forms on the edge of your bevel at the apex, and this indicates whether or not you've made complete contact with the entire bevel edge. So I'll just wipe off my blade here, and right now we're looking pretty good. I can see that I have a consistent bevel angle. Everything is looking really smooth. If you were working at a little bit too low of an angle, what you would notice is scratch patterns going up further past that initial bevel. And if you were at too high of an angle, you're not going to notice the scratch patterns fill out the entire bevel. So you want to make sure that they're just on that edge where you're working. And now I can feel on the opposite side by dragging my thumb across the blade and just feeling for a little tug on my finger pad, and that's going to be the burr there, and I'm just starting to feel it, so I'm going to go a little bit further.